standing on the promises of Christ my King. Through eternal ages let his praises ring. Glory in the highest I will shout and sing, standing on the promises of God. Standing, standing, standing on the promises of God.
Una, good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Monday, 19th August 2024. And our topic today na how to handle failure. Our memory verse dey for 2 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 8. We dey face wahala for different corner, but our body no scatter. We dey confused sometimes, but we no dey lose hope. People dey punish us, but God no let us die. Dem dey knack us for ground, but dem no fit destroy us. Our Bible reading dey Judges chapter 20 verse 18 to 35, and e talk say, before dem go for the war, Israel people go Bethel go ask God, na which tribe go first attack Benjamin people? God answer, make Judah go first. So Israel people quick comot for early morning go camp near Gibeah. Then dem march go Gibeah go attack Benjamin men. But Benjamin soldiers wey dey guide the town come kill 22,000 Israel people that day. Israel people encourage each other, come stay for the same place when they for fight before. Because they don go Bethel go cry for God presence till evening, come dey say, make we fight against our relative for Benjamin tribe again. God answer them, make una go fight them. So the next day, they come go fight against Benjamin men. But Benjamin men still kill another 18,000 Israel people wey sabi fight well well. Then all Israel people come go Bethel again go cry and fast for God presence till evening. They still bring burnt offering and peace offering come give God. Israel people come dey ask for direction from God, because before God covenant box dey for Bethel, and na Phinehas wey be Eliza pikin and Aaron grandpikin be the priest wey dey care for am. Then Israel people ask God again, make we go fight against our relative for Benjamin tribe or not? God answer, make una go. Tomorrow I go give them to una. So they come set trap around Gibeah. Israel people come attack Benjamin tribe the third day, and they camp for Gibeah just as they do before. When Benjamin people come out come fight, then lead them comot for the town. Just as before, they begin kill some Israel people. Dem kill reach 30 Israel people for the open land and the road when they pass go Bethel and Gibeah. Then Benjamin soldiers shout, we dey win them just as we do before. But Israel people don plan before say dem go run comot from the town, so that Benjamin men go pursue dem enter road. When Israel men soldiers reach Batamah, they take their position, while the others wey surround west for Gibeah rush come out once from when dem dey hide come attack. Na 10,000 special soldiers wey dem choose for Israel tribe come attack Gibeah. The fight strong well well, sotey Benjamin soldiers no know say dem go soon destroy dem finish. God help Israel people win Benjamin people, and that day Israel people kill 25,000 men wey be the best soldiers for Benjamin tribe. Now the message. The way people dey always respond to failure fit determine whether they go live for victory or they no go live for victory. Failure no bad as people paint am to be o. E no mean say e don finish, but na signal to try again by using different methods. Every scientific breakthrough come from failure. If most scientists dey sad come stop after the first time when they fail, dem for no get breakthrough. Anybody wey dey successful today na because say e don fail many times. If you try today and you fail, Stand up, come try again for different way. As long as say you dey sure say wetin you dey do dey in line with God will, no give up on am. Continue to try until you succeed. For today Bible reading, Israel people ask God if dem fit go fight Benjamin people and if dem go win. God tell dem make dem go fight, say dem go win, but when dem reach battleground dem fail. The question wey suppose dey their mind be say, shey God deceive us ne? Dem no give up. They bring theirself together, come go ask God again if make dem go back go fight Benjamin people. God tell dem make dem go, and again Benjamin people win dem. Dat point if dem give up, e make sense. Dem don already lost 40,000 men, and e look like say the only person wey dem trust wey be God dey deceive dem. If dem give up dat time, dem go clap for dem say dem don try. But dem no give up. Dem go back go meet God, but dis time around dem fast come give offering to God. Dem come ask am again if make dem go back go fight the Benjamin people, and God tell dem make dem go. Dem go, and as we read am for the story, dem use different methods and dem win the Benjamin people. No give up. Your breakthrough fit just dey one corner. Try again. Anytime when you fail, ask yourself, why God dey let me go through dis kind thing? If you dey pray every time and you dey waka with God, ask dis question: wetin I fit learn from dis experience? Wetin God dey try teach me with dis failure? E get any other method wey I fit use to achieve my goal? If you fit answer dis question sincerely, you go pick correct lessons wey go help you achieve success the next time wey you try. The main point for today's message be say, to fail na signal to try again by using different methods, except say God talk another thing. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.